If your Dell computer doesn't turn on when the power button is pressed, follow these troubleshooting steps. Let's first take a look at the power cables. Disconnect them and inspect them closely for damage to either the cords or the ends. If they look okay, reconnect them firmly, ensuring good contact. If you do notice anything suspicious, try a different compatible power cable. For laptops and all-in-one systems, inspect the AC adapter too. Swap it out if you have another compatible charger to see if that solves the power problem. You can also try plugging into a different wall outlet. If using a surge protector, plug in the power cord directly to the wall outlet first to see if that works. If not, try other outlets, even in other rooms or parts of the house. It may be a faulty peripheral causing the problem. To check this, turn off the PC and disconnect all of the peripherals from the system. This includes external expansion cards on desktops and the docking station for laptops. Now, with the system completely isolated, try to power it on. If it does power on, then one of the peripherals is the culprit. To determine which one it is, connect each one independently to test it against whether the PC powers on or not. Replace whichever one is causing the problem. If at this point you still have no power, it's time to perform a power drain on the system. For desktops, turn off the computer and disconnect the power cable and all the external peripherals from the system. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds, then release. The system should not power up. Afterwards, reconnect the power cable to the system, then try to power on the computer. For laptops, turn off the computer. Disconnect the charger and all the external peripherals from the system. Turn over the computer and use a screwdriver to unfasten all the screws securing the bottom panel. Then carefully detach the bottom panel. Locate the internal battery and disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling on the plastic piece connecting it to the motherboard. You may want to consult your system's owner's manual if you're not comfortable with this part of the process. With the battery now disconnected, flip the computer over. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds and then release. Keep in mind, the laptop should not be powering up during this process. Afterwards, reconnect the battery and secure the bottom panel with the screws. Reconnect the charger and try to power on the computer. Another thing you can try for laptops is to reset the real-time clock. However, this reset is only available on certain Dell models. To see if your model supports this, check out the official list on the Dell support site. Click the info card to see the recommended link to access. To perform the reset, connect the AC adapter to the laptop. Press and hold the power button for approximately 30 seconds, and once the power LED blinks 3 times, release the power button. The laptop should reboot to the Dell logo screen if the reset was successful. If the Dell logo appears, start tapping the F2 key to enter the system BIOS so you can reconfigure the system's date and time. If none of these steps worked and your system refuses to power on, contact Dell Tech Support through social media for assistance. There's also the Dell Community Forum where you can see what others have to say about the subject. Become a subscriber to our YouTube Tech Support channel to get access to all of our support tutorials and be notified of new content. Thanks for watching.